it's Alexandra with WTI. And iPads are my favorite type of tablets because so many reasons. So the first thing is I really like that Apple products kind of can connect with each other. So basically I really like that you have like your own little world of Apple in which you can find your devices and you can connect some devices with each other. So I really like that. And also, if you take a look at this iPad Air 2, you can see that it's really thin. So that means that it is very lightweight. And I really like that because it means that you can carry it around. And one thing about iPads is that usually when you are studying or when you use it for work, you must carry it around. You must take it from one place to another. So I find it really convenient that this iPad is so lightweight. I really also like the color. I feel like this color looks absolutely beautiful, this golden finish that it has. And I also really like the size of this iPad. I feel like it is not huge, but it is not so small. So it's perfect to have a good visibility of the screen and to be able to use it properly. But at the same time, it is not so big that it is hard to probably fit in your purse or in your backpack. And that is my point of view.